In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV file with transactions into Xero. Whether you're a business owner, accountant, a GA, accountant, or simply someone who wants to keep precise track of your financial transactions, this straightforward tutorial will help you seamlessly integrate your data into Xero's accounting system. Let's jump right in and simplify this process. To get started, you need to open the Xero website in your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account, as you'll need to access specific features reserved for authenticated users. Once you're all set and logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which provides an overview of your business's financial activity. With the dashboard in view, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the screen and click on Accounting. This will open a drop-down menu that provides several options to manage your financial data. From this menu, select Bank Accounts. This section will display an overview of all the bank accounts you have linked to your Xero account, offering a convenient way to manage the various financial transactions your business undertakes. Find the bank account you wish to import transactions into. Situated to the right of the account name, you should see a set of 3 vertical dots, often referred to as the Options or Actions menu. Click on these 3 dots, and a small menu will appear with additional choices. From the options presented, choose Import a Statement. This feature enables you to bring external financial data into Xero, allowing it to be seamlessly integrated into your existing financial transactions. Once you click Import a Statement, the next step involves selecting your CSV file. Click on Select File, which will prompt a file selection dialog. This is where you need to navigate your computer's file system to locate the CSV file you intend to import. It's important here to ensure that your CSV file is correctly formatted and accurately represents your intended financial data, as any discrepancies can lead to errors in your financial records. After locating your file, click on it, and this will initiate the importing process. Xero will handle the rest from here, incorporating the transactions from your CSV file into the system. Reviewing the import summary will allow you to verify that everything has been imported accurately and that your financial data now includes the new transactions. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully integrated your transactions into Xero, keeping your financial records up to date, allowing you to focus more on analyzing and less on data entry. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and feel free to revisit it anytime you need to perform this task. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting.